So, as you all know, it's Halloween, and for the past 4 months, I've been showing apartments. I was doing that before COVID, and then I started doing YouTube during COVID and all this crazy stuff going on. So, I'm making this a Halloween-themed rental showing, and I'm going to be showing 2 apartments that are within the budget of about $2,000. One of them being a 2-bedroom, and then one of them being a 3-bedroom. I'm just starting my day, so I'll be heading to the office, and then from there, we're going to go see the apartments. And if you do like videos like this, definitely subscribe. Let's go take a look.
Then she met me at the college. Her friends play my songs and they been following me. Yeah, I don't like to do that much explaining and talking.
How you feeling, Shelby? Let me see the shirt. Happy Halloween. We're official. Look at that. Fun. You got the Lambo trucks in front. Whoa, damn, never happened.
He's being realistic.
Have some faith, man.
What? I mean, I'm only 24, so maybe realistic.
Stay on that side.
So this apartment's beautiful in Crown Heights. You have 2 separate bedrooms and you also have a washer and dryer. The building has a gym, also optional parking, also has an elevator. And then in the actual unit, you have space for dining, you have space for a nice separated living room, and both of the rooms get a whole lot of light. So right now we're heading to another listing. It's about the same price, but it's a 3-bedroom instead of a 2-bedroom. I heard that it's really nice. I heard it's got space in the living room and the kitchen, and there's actually 2 bathrooms instead of 1. So let's go check this out. So the other one was $2,000. This one is $2,050. Little circle. Ah, it's open already. We got lucky. We gotta make sure we look good before we go in. So this is nice. This is really nice actually, but I don't know how I feel about the floors. It's like there's no hardwood floors in the common area. I feel like a lot of people wouldn't really like that. I don't know. Oh wow, look at this. Look. You see that Empire State Building from the window. And the Freedom Tower. That's crazy. Look at that. Wow. I was told the rooms are pretty big. Let's take a look. This is kind of, I don't know how I feel about the size of this room. Let's do a layout test. It's not too big. Let's look at the bathroom. The lights don't work. Well, you got like a little fire escape if you want to grow some plants or something like that. You got this nice little rod here. All the rooms have closets. That's good. All the rooms have closets. There's also central AC and heat. This unit right over here. Let's see if I can get it on right now. Give it a little AC test. I'll just trust it. I'll trust it. Just take a look at it. Maybe this one has an operating light. Let's get a quick little sitting test. See how much space there is if I sit at this table. See if you can walk by real quick. I'll meet in here. How much space you got? Yeah, you get the obstruction with that fridge going on. If I'm eating right here, built-in microwave. Microwave's pretty huge. Throw a nice full turkey in there. Electric stove. Then you got the double microwave. Look at that. In case you want to get two things. This is for the turkey, and this is for the stuffing. You want to cook them both at the same time. And you got a little skylight here. Let's zoom in on that skylight. That's a very interesting skylight. Let's do a quick tub test. I like to do tub tests whenever we go to apartments. See what it would be like to get in. Alright, yeah, this is definitely on the smaller side. So, I know I'm uploading this on November 1st, but happy Halloween to everybody who's watching this. A lot of people that knew that I was a real estate agent have been asking for this type of content, so here it is. I'm going to be putting out a lot more videos like this. Some videos I'll actually have people coming and seeing the apartments. I tried my best to make this kind of like a reality show type of thing, and I tried to throw some comedy in there, but I also tried to show some apartments. And the main point of this video was to compare two different apartments within the same price range and show you what you could really get for your money and compare the two as far as, you know, one has 2 bathrooms, the other one has 1. You know, one has a washer and dryer and rooftop and has a real luxury feel, while the other one has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and is a little bit older, doesn't have hardwood floors and stuff like that. So I'll be putting out more comparison videos like this with that reality show type of feel. So if you like this, definitely subscribe, definitely like the video. And for anybody who likes my TikTok videos, I'll still be putting some of those videos out also. But yeah, I appreciate you guys watching. Everybody have a good one. Boom.